Morning, everyone. I'm going to do some super elemental pulls. Got 28 tokens. Well, 2,800 to do 28 pulls. So, got a couple new features. Zandrella, 50% damage to target and all ice enemies. Alright. And 407 damage to the target, all ice enemies when the mana is full, and reduces their mana by 50% for 4 turns. And the green tiles are enhanced with more mana. Cool. Yeah, this one here, Roz. 500% damage to the target. There's 6 or more nature shields on the board. Damage is dealt to the target and nearby enemies. 12 more. So all of them. That's awesome. And then you get the rest of the other nature legendaries, which some of them I don't mind to get. I want to get Evelyn on here. Guardian Chameleon, that'd be nice. Let's see what happens. That's weird. You get a bonus trainer hero sometimes. Never seen that happen before. Let's see what's a percentage. 2.3 for legendary nature and 0.2% for a feature. Yikes. Alright, well, I already got her. I don't mind to get another one. Okay, that's weird. But I'll take another trainer hero. Huh, that's interesting. Huh. Oh, 2 in a row. There we go. All right, 4 more. Oh, nice. I don't have that one yet. Sorry, some guys, there's a garbage truck dumping on a dumpster. That's why it's so loud. may just... I'm just going to do 2 more to make it an even 30. Alright. So I got one new hero I don't have yet. Nice, I can take some food. And that's it. May do some pulls later on, I don't know. So I want one of the features, but it's hard to get. So, well, hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you on the next one.